can I just say shout out to my 2 subscribers? And I just need to say, whenever I get plus 1 subscriber, I will give him a shout out. Because, like, I'm just hoping that I get to, like, 3 subscribers before next week, maybe. So, and also, thank you so much for 9 likes. Come on, that's all you guys there. Thank you so much for 9 likes. Took me a while to set up this whole channel and get all these videos going. So thank you so much. I really appreciate the fun. But I'm going to be showing you Oscar. Bella and Oscar. Bella is the brown little sausage dog. Oscar is the black little sausage dog. But you haven't seen him yet, so just like skip till I find him, because it's going to take a while. Here is Oscar. Hello, buddy boy. Hello, buddy boy. Hello, buddy boy. Probably won't want to play because having a little sleep. If you're not gonna play, that's fine. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I might do squishies next vid, so thank you so much for watching to the end. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the work that you did to me, guys. It really helps me in my channel. Thank you so much.